Hey guys, today we are looking at a remote control police car. It is very realistic. It's as soon as you turn it on, right here you can see a switch. The sirens come on right here. And it's very realistic because you have like a realistic steering wheel. Here, let's turn it on. And as soon as you turn the on button on right here, it makes a starting sound. And right here we have a horn, gear stick, down for go for forwards, backward, forwards for backwards. So backwards, forwards. And when you hit the reverse, backlights come on. And when you hit the gear stick for going, there's lights that turn on in the front. So on the back there is mode 2 and mode 1. Mode 1 is just on the floor steering. Mode 2 is you can do it on the floor or in the air. Right here, the stop button, it makes a sound when you're going forwards or backwards. And also there is sirens. When there's sirens, the horn does not work. And there's mute. And also the doors come up, which is very fancy. And also, you can see over here, you can open it up, and then right here you can see the motor. It's pretty cool. And there's front suspension. It is a rear wheel drive, not all wheel drive like some. Oh, and the mirrors actually have real reflectors, which is pretty cool. And I mean, that's really it. I hope you enjoy it.